Hi, my name is Cindy, z9designs. If you want to know how to set a fall table, keep watching. You can use what you have, mix and match, and come up with something you have not seen before. So check out my Tablescape Tuesday and see what I have for you today. The supplies are plates from Walmart, and they were on sale, really good price, like $1.50 each, and they're from Better Homes and Gardens. I got my silverware from Amazon. Napkins, I made these and I got the fabric from Joann's. The runner is from, believe it or not, Meijer's grocery store. Placemats, Hobby Lobby. The coasters were gifted. Candlesticks were thrifted. And napkin rings were from Michael, but I upscaled them because they were a little on the boring side. And the leaves that were scattered on the table from Dollar Tree. The glassware from Amazon, and the pumpkins, Dollar Tree, as well as the chargers. You always start out with a clean table. Then I put down a burlap runner on the table for kind of a rustic look. That seems like where I'm going this fall. I put down the burlap placemats that I had purchased from Hobby Lobby on each place setting. And on top of the placemats were black chargers for some contrast. Then I put down plates that were beige with an ecru colored ring around the edge. And the gold silverware is added for a bit of sparkle. I purchased some green floral fabric from Joann's and made 4 napkins that were unbelievably soft. And I made 4 of them, but I could go back and make 2 more to have 6, but 4 is all I need for right now. And it was green floral fabric. But if you want napkins to make an impact on your table, you can pull out your sewing machine and make napkins that match whatever it is that you're doing or contrast what you're doing. Now, the napkin rings were from Michael's, and they were upscale with Dollar Tree leaves and berries. I always like to make things a little bit better to actually go with what you have. And this complements the plates for a nice fall look. Then, coasters on each side of the plate that were gifted from someone that went to Casamigos. I guess that's the place. I have to look it up. Beautiful goblets were set on top that brightened up the space, kind of made the look. And now it was time for the centerpiece. The pumpkin in the middle is from Dollar Tree, and it kind of sets the stage for a wonderful fall tablescape. And it is jute or made out of paper, and it has a hole in the bottom. And so I put a little tea light candle. I put 3 gifted brass candlesticks on the table. And then I put an upscale pumpkin on top of each one, and these were from Dollar Tree. So all I did, I got a wooden leaf, sprayed it gold, maybe added some gold rub and buff, and got a ribbon that was light brown velvet and tied it on the top. And there you have it. Or you can get other types of candle, maybe something a little bit bigger, and put it under that and turn it on, and it is just beautiful. And the pumpkin came from Dollar Tree. So just put a battery lit candle inside and it looks fantastic. And then I did something a little bit special for the guests. I made a pumpkin and it has a silver piece in the middle. And you can put their name on there or you can put a joyful word because that's my theme this year. I'm going to be joyful no matter what. So this is my tablescape, and I love to sit here with friends or have snack or tea. My friends stop by and they sit at the table and we have great conversation. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment and show some love. And be sure to use the hashtag Tablescape24. Now, if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, make each day joyful. And that is from me. That's my quote. Hey, you take care. Have a wonderful week. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.